Thank you. Mental health workers at Sound Community Services in New Linden are planning to strike for 3 days starting tomorrow. They want better wages and working conditions. Fox 61's Tony Black is live in New Linden tonight, speaking with employees on what changes they want to see. Tony?
Yeah, Carmen, starting tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., nearly 60 workers here at Sound Community Services will go on strike. That's about 80% of those in the union. They want better pay, and they also want staffing levels to improve here.
I can tell you right now that the majority of workers at Sound are ready to walk.
Workers at the mental health clinic Sound Community Services in New London are planning to go on strike for 3 days. They're calling for better pay and additional staffing. Kendra Fontes May with the union represents 73 workers. She says they've seen minimal raises in decades.
The workers are ready to do whatever it's going to take to make a living wage and to change the way that they have been treated.
For Taisha McIntyre, who is a behavioral health home case manager, the $15 and some change she makes is not enough to live.
Working paycheck to paycheck and paycheck to poverty.
Others, like Donovan Powell, a greeter at Sound, have been with the company for 4 years. The one raise, he says, was not more than 10 cents.
The fight that we're in right now, it's about our need. We need this to survive.
They're also concerned about not having enough staff. They say caseloads are exceeding what one person can handle and shifts are not staffed where they need to be, which is a safety concern for them.
This is taking not only a physical toll on a lot of us, but mentally it's exhausting.
The two employees telling Fox 61 they want to go on strike because they care for their jobs.
Most people who are in this field, the human service field, are here because they care about people. We care about our clients.
Fontes May says management has proposed a 15-cent increase that workers think is too low. As their 4-year contract comes to an end, they either want a 1-year contract or the ability to negotiate economic benefits yearly in a longer one. Powell adding management hears their concerns but doesn't feel as if they're actually listening.
It's not a raise when you have to worry about things like feeding your family.
Sound is closed on the weekend, so we did try reaching out, but we weren't able to get a comment from them. But if we do, we will pass that along. Negotiations are set to happen on Tuesday, which is the last day of their strike. The union says if an agreement is not met by then, workers will continue striking. Live in New London, Tony Black, Fox 61 News.
And here's hoping they do reach an agreement soon. Thanks, Tony.